Hi, I'm Ben Hardy from Expert Village. All right, now that we have all our ingredients together, we have our chopped onions, our dill, our parsley. We add a little bit of kosher salt. You can use seasoning salt if you like, and that's 3/4 of a cup. We have sour cream and mayonnaise. And what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and combine these.
Say 3/4 of a cup of salt.
Shit, teaspoon.
I was like, that's a lot of salt. That's like one part mayonnaise, 1 part sour cream, 1 part salt. All right, fingers.
All right, now that we've got all our ingredients together, we've got our chopped onions, we've got our dill, we've got our parsley, and we've added a little bit of kosher salt, 3/4 of a tablespoon. You can also use seasoning salt or iodized, but I prefer to use kosher in most everything that I do. We have our sour cream and our mayonnaise, and we're just going to start combining these together in the bowl. So go ahead and throw our salt first. We'll work right to left. All right, our parsley, our dill, and then our chopped onions. And remember, if you don't have measuring cups, you're just going to have to eyeball it. If you're not comfortable with it, make sure you are using measuring cups to get the correct flavor and texture. All right, we're going to take our whisk. We're going to mix it around. And you need to mix this thoroughly. You don't want one part of your dip to be thicker than the other or have too much of one thing. All right, now that we got it mixed, we're going to cover it. And you need to let it chill for about 1 hour, and then you can serve with your vegetables.